Hey, this is Fred Lam, and listen, today I'm actually going to share with you 5 types of products that you should absolutely avoid when you are drop shipping with Shopify. Now, again, not only should you not drop ship these products, if you do, you are going to lose yourself a lot of money, and that's not what we want because the ultimate goal is obviously to make money online. Now that being said, before we dive right in, I'm going to make this a little bit fun. We're going to have a fun contest where I'm going to give away $100 cash to my viewers right now. And in order for you to actually qualify and win this $100, all you got to do is follow the simple step. Number 1 is, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 types of products that you should or you should not drop ship. And I'm going to show you the product. You're going to do a guess. You can guess you should or you should not. And if you guessed it right, you're going to get 10 points. If you guessed it wrong, then obviously it is going to be no points for you. And afterwards, once I've unveiled all these 5 products, you should actually comment right into the comment box below and share your points to me. Now, it doesn't mean that if you guess everything right, you're going to win. It's just all about participation. And then I'm going to randomly select an individual who obviously subscribed to my YouTube channel and is very honest with their answer. And I'm going to announce the winner to take away this $100, obviously, for having this fun contest in place. So that's it. Follow this video, follow along, comment below what your score is, and you will qualify to win $100 right now. That being said, let's really dive right into what are the top 5 products that you should or you should not drop ship. And if you're into Shopify dropshipping, this is super important. So first of all, before I do that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. And you can also find me on Instagram, simply look for Fred Lam Official, and you will see me posting daily. Now, that said, let's dive right into these 5 products. Product number 1 is a really amazing lace body suit right here that is geared towards women. So, should you be drop shipping this product or should you not? I'll give you 5 seconds right now for you to take the guess. You should not drop ship this product. Now, if you guessed it right, that's 10 points to you. Now, here are the reasons why you should not drop ship this product. Number 1, Facebook will ban you for running an ad with this product. And the reason is it is showing way too much skin. Facebook don't like it when you show too much skin of a person on your ad. Number 2, it is near impossible for you to find a targeting that is going to want to buy this product. Yes, it's a really sexy lingerie, but ultimately there are so many variations. Why would people actually buy this one over here? So for these 2 reasons, you absolutely do not want to drop ship these kind of products. That includes even swimsuits. Should really avoid those products, especially when you are starting out with Shopify dropshipping. Now, let's take a look at product number 2. This amazing pendant short gold chain heart crystal necklace. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Take a guess right now if you should drop ship this product or not. All right, 5 seconds is up, and the answer is you should not dropship this product. And the reason why you should not dropship this product, despite the fact that there are thousands of orders and you get free shipping and this cost is super low, is really because it's a heart necklace. It's a boring product. People can actually just go down the mall and buy this kind of product. And again, when it comes to targeting on Facebook, it is near impossible for you to actually sell this product that a woman or a man buying for their girlfriend is absolutely going to fall in love with this particular design. So in reality, do not dropship products that are boring, that are generic. This is super important. Do not dropship generic product. If you want to actually drop ship a necklace, you should drop ship probably a unicorn necklace or even a sloth necklace, but not a heart crystal necklace that you would assume every woman will buy, which ultimately they won't, because there's so many design and variation out there that it's going to compete with you, and it is a freaking boring product. So do not drop ship this product, and if you guessed it right, another 10 points to you. If you guessed it wrong, 0. Alright, product number 3. This amazing night lamp guitar USB table lamp. So I'll give you 5 seconds to see if you guessed it right or wrong. Should we drop ship this product or not? Alright, so the answer to this is you should drop ship this product. Now I did throw a curveball just at you, because in this video I was saying 5 types of products you should not drop ship. But I purposely do this to really test your knowledge. Now the reason why you should drop ship this product is A, you can easily find a targeting for this product. You can simply go after people that absolutely love guitar. When they love guitar, people will buy anything related to that. So for you to find a targeting and actually sell this is freaking darn easy. But you may argue, Fred, there's only 3 orders on this product. We were told that, hey, when we're drop shipping on AliExpress, we should be finding products that actually have a lot of order, a lot of good reviews. Why should I drop ship this product? Well, the answer is that you want to do more research on this product and also on the vendor itself. So when you actually go into the product itself, you can see that this vendor, although it's a little bit small, has a 99% positive feedback. So this is a brand new product that they just uploaded, and if the store itself has such a high feedback score, then probably, guess what? It's going to give you a competitive advantage because hardly anyone is selling this product. And the best of all, you get free e-package shipping as well. So this is definitely something worth testing to actually start selling and drop ship on your Shopify store. Now let's look at product number 4. This Biro Cutter Zucchini Slicer. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Should you drop ship this product or not? Alright, so here's the answer. You should not drop ship this product. And if you guessed it right, another 10 points to you. Now the reason why you don't want to drop ship this product is because this product now is available at retail store. If you go to Bed Bath & Beyond, there are multiple variations of this product. The golden rule when you're drop shipping with Shopify is that the products cannot be sold at retail. By the time that the product is available at a retail store, then chances are it's already all done. It's already exhausted. Because remember, in order for a retail store to actually sell these products, it'll take them months of time before it can even get on the rack. And during this months of time, a lot of things can change and dropshippers can completely saturate the market. So again, if the product is available at a retail store, do not sell it. Now, product number 5. Take a guess if you should drop ship this product or not. Given that this product had 4.6 star reviews and the cost is really low and there's over 1,000 orders sold. Should you drop ship this product or not? Take a guess right now. Alright, so the answer is you should not drop ship this product. The reason why you should not drop ship this product because this is a trademark product. This is the Star Wars product. Anything to do with Disney, Marvel, anything that is trademark, you should never touch it, or else you are setting up yourself to go into some legal lawsuits, which we do not want. Yes, it is true that you can make some really good money selling these trademark products in a very short period of time, but you are really, again, setting up yourself to fail. So anytime that there's a Batman, Iron Man, Frozen, Disney stuff, anything that is simply a trademark product, never, and I mean never, sell it. Stay away from it. Yes, it can be tempting, but do not drop ship these products. So if you guessed it right, 10 points to you. So tally up your point, let me know right into the comment box, and share with me the total points on what your total guess is, all right? And I will announce a winner to take away $100. It doesn't mean that if you guessed it all right, you're gonna win. I'm just gonna randomly select an individual who just genuinely told me their honest feedback. And most importantly, you gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to qualify for this $100. And if you like these kind of mini contests that we do, share in the comment box if you want more of these. I can do more if you want, so just let me know. Other than that, I look forward on seeing you in the next video, and I will announce the winner in the community tab. I'll see you guys then.